Allchinabuy Haul Ralph Lauren Review. In this video, we're going to review Allchinabuy's Ralph Lauren to see whether it's worth it. So to get started, Allchinabuy offers Ralph Lauren items at discounted prices, making it an attractive option for budget shoppers. The main question is, are these products authentic and do they match the quality of genuine Ralph Lauren? Some buyers have reported receiving good quality replicas that look nearly identical to the original, while others have noted inconsistencies in fabric, stitching, and logos. If you're looking for authentic Ralph Lauren at steep discounts, this might not be the best option. However, if you're fine with high quality replicas at a fraction of the price, all China buy could be a good deal. If you value authenticity, it's better to buy directly from Ralph Lauren or authorized retailers. But if you're looking for affordable alternatives, all China buy can be an option. Just be aware of the risks. And that's my review of the Ralph Lauren haul from All China Buy.